At Principal, we love working with clients like Shaw Industries because they recognize that at the heart of their retirement plan and communicating and educating with their employees, it is a dialogue, it's a conversation that continues over their employees' lifetime. From when they join the organization to when they're considering retirement to actually when they're transitioning to retirement. It's an honor to work with them each year to develop a plan that helps each one of their employees attain greater financial success.
We appreciate how Principal comes alongside Shaw Industries with expertise to provide our associates that financial understanding for their retirement that gives them the confidence and the poise to come to work every day and focus on our customers.